Bunge nene vamwe na ila ya Senate ni anenga mendenya mwonza maminista anaanza maya magavana COG mavikembewo no kana kuelesea kwa uthuniki vethitu na kikono muno kuthinikia mukomo wa matakitali na wa thukumi hangi sektani ya uiti ala mikomo yo yelekele miei ile kuvikia oyu woni tina kikaloke mwana kila kivaniwe kutoiwe muthenyani wa umuthi kulea kuendea itina wa maminista na itui nene kulea kuvikalivoti yake Benjamin Mwaka.
Bunge ni evita ni yumbanije kuosea matami mavyuma gavana ona edwan kumavata ilovia sia county tanzia mya kumalazimithia manenge ndayo thukumi wa mbunge nikivoko kila kiumavalukila maminista kauta halonetina wa kwitwa mbungeni no kana kumantha usungi wa mukoma wa matakitali matanavika kwi umuthi.
I want to tell the chair of the Council of Governors that she has lost my support as one of the people who firmly believe in devolution, as one of the people who actually was going to advocate on the floor of the Senate that the position taken by the COG on division of revenue is the right position. I might just switch and start supporting the treasury position that these governors, they have no respect for any institution and they don't deserve the money they're asking us for. Honorable Kiborek, these people have money. Finding somebody 500,000 shillings in today's world is nothing. So we had enhanced the fine to 2 million shillings. We want you to pass that amendment very quickly, Honorable Nyikal. We want powers of arrest. We want Parliament to have powers to arrest people. Because I know where Waiguru is. Right now, if I had those powers, I could bring her here.
When your bill on the summons comes to the National Assembly, we will actually raise the figure to 5 million. And we'll be able to make sure that there is arrest and even imprisonment for 6 months.
Meno that mwingi hamemanza mavumwe ya Senate na mbunge nene ya uiti nimaweta kikaloni cho mali saitikilia maofisa nini meviani kufika mbewo kusungia makulyo maminista halame na kianda kinene mbinu wa mukomo ula uende wa maofisa mauiti ni Mwandu Susan Nakumicha, Mwandu Florence Bore, Moses Kuria na Njunguna Ndungu alao ndema tunavika komitine ikwe umonde.
I've heard my good friends, the PS, saying that the Cabinet Secretary of Health is in another function when this country is bleeding, when people are dying, when hospitals are closed. The Council of Governors who are busy running around, agreeing to everything they are being told by the executive, and that they know that health is devolved and their hospitals are closed, are not here. The chairperson of SRC, who was involved herself in the matter, that there is a CBA which was agreed upon, is not here. Mr. Chairman, we cannot continue, entertaining such contempt.
When we call cabinet secretary, we call cabinet secretaries. We are not calling permanent secretaries or directors. Those are not in our standing orders.
Na nikumano na kivida ki valone onza mama gavana tanavika vala hona unenanya kukonya kuiva na serikali sia county uiti uthukumi na kutunga serikali nene ni waambia.
You should tell us what to do with this bunch of arrogant governors. Either we starve them the budget or we can make a painful and emotive decision to return the health back to national government. As much as we are saying we devolved it for posterity.
I have been a proponent of devolution and I support devolution. I have never agreed with members of parliament and my colleague senators on reverting the health function to national government. But from this, I am 40% persuaded. It's only 10% remaining for me to cross to the other side. Because it would be easier for us to go and look for one CS Nakumicha than try and look for 47 governors.
Parliament is the highest apex, is the highest institution on this land, and Kenyans are looking upon us to have some reprieve.
We cannot fix anything in this country if we do not have people, or if we don't have healthy people.
You should issue a communique to all the private hospitals, not to attend to all these governors and members of their families, till we find a solution to this problem. We have been put here by Kenyans who have elected us to serve them. A strike cannot exist from 13th of March. 54 days.
kuma vamosini wa Ilomvi ndilivotia vilingo wa mauvonye nito wa Benjamin Mwaka.